At Pathways Training, we support hundreds of apprentices each year as they work towards industry-recognised qualifications, while also gaining practical experience in the workplace. Our assessors have a vast amount of industry experience and knowledge and established partnerships with leading employers in Wales. Our apprenticeship programmes will support individuals entering the workforce for the first time or those seeking to advance in their current career.
We started recruiting apprentices through Pathways Training in 2016 as a way of offering people in the local community an opportunity to work in roles and develop careers. The finance team took this on board really quickly and advertised for accounting apprentices to join their team. Like other organisations, SBOHB is faced with recruitment challenges, including difficulty recruiting to specific professions, an ageing workforce and attracting staff under the age of 30. We launched our Apprenticeship Academy, which would afford an opportunity to start developing defined career pathways and development opportunities.
Since starting my position in 2022 with the Finance Department, I've had the line management responsibility for 2 apprentices. However, across the Finance Department, we have had a further 6 apprentices and colleagues who have completed their AAT qualification through the apprenticeship route. The apprenticeship route offers a valuable opportunity to develop our workforce and improve the skills and expertise. They offer a way to sustainably grow our team by bringing in new talent and providing them with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in their roles. We have had a lot of success with our previous apprentices who have not only achieved gaining substantive posts within the department, but have also shown their ability in gaining higher graded posts. We have a good link with Pathways Training in Neath College, who frequently visit our apprentices to make sure they are on track with their studying and have all the support they need. Having worked closely with the Pathways over the 2 years I've been within the Finance Department, I know they go above and beyond the level of support and guidance they provide for our apprentices. Apprentices are a great opportunity to develop your workforce with talent and expertise that will inevitably help to combat the challenges that the world of work keeps on bringing.
My journey started in September 2022 when I secured my foundation apprenticeship with Audit Wales and completed an AAT Level 2 last year. I hope to progress to Level 4 next year. After spending a year in university, I did not feel it was right for me. I chose to complete an apprenticeship instead. I felt I wanted to gain work experience in my chosen career as well as a qualification. I am completing my apprenticeship with Pathways Training in Neath College. I am employed by Audit Wales as a finance apprentice and I am currently on a secondment with Swansea Bay University Health Board.
Back in late 2018, I was volunteering as a bookkeeper and looking for employment. I was on the hunt for a job that both supported my newfound love of numbers, but also offered the educational and career progression I needed for the future. That's when I found an advert on Indeed.com for an NHS finance apprenticeship. Thankfully, I was hired to work with Swansea Bay Health Board as an apprentice within their internal management accounts team. I was given leave to attend Neath College 1 day a week to study the AAT qualification. My workplace was always very supportive of my education and they would actively look for opportunities to help me grow.
I have benefited loads from my apprenticeship as I have been able to gain on-the-job experience with Audit Wales and Swansea Bay University Health Board.
I found it confidence building to be able to learn something in a class or from a textbook and then come into work the next day and put that same education into practice. Over the next few years, I completed all 3 levels of AAT, gaining a professional diploma in accounting. Likewise, with each new academic achievement, my workplace responsibilities and duties increased, and I found a great deal of satisfaction in becoming more and more self-sufficient. I've since gained 2 internal promotions and am currently employed within the NHS as a finance analyst. So, if you're thinking of applying for an apprenticeship, I would say don't hesitate. Sometimes you have to take a brave step out in order to take a big step forward.